The x-intercepts are where y equals 0. So I'm going to let y be 0. And this will not factor. So I'm going to use a quadratic formula. But before I use the quadratic formula, I like my leading coefficient to be positive. So let's multiply both sides by -1. So 0 equals x squared minus 4x plus 6. And so let's use the quadratic formula. Negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And a is 1, and b is -4, and c is 6. So that's going to be negative of a -4 plus or minus the square root of a -4 squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a, which is 1. So let's clean this up. This is positive 4 plus or minus the square root of 16 minus 24 all over 2. So this is 4 plus or minus the square root of -8 all over 2. So what that tells me is, since this is negative underneath the radical, that means you have an imaginary number. This tells me there's not any x-intercepts. So let's go back and look. The vertex is 2, -2. 1, 2, -2 is this. And this thing opens down. So it's logical that you do not have any x-intercepts.